Hi, I'm Raven and today I'm going to show you how I make protection charm bags. Before I show you how I make my charm bag, I would like to say that all the magical workings on my channel are for you to get an idea and get inspired to create your own workings. So you don't need to use the exact herbs or items that I'm using. Use what is available to you based on your intentions. There are lots of herbs used for protection, so you can use what you have or herbs that you connect with. This month until the Samhain ends, each day the veil is becoming more thin, so spirits and other entities are closer each day to our plane, and because not all entities are very friendly, it is great to do protection workings this month. So here is what I'm going to use for my protection charm bag. I will use white sage, and I don't buy it anymore. I got this bundle long time ago and I use it sometimes, but don't buy it anymore. Sage has many magical correspondences, like to promote wisdom. It is used in healing workings, cleansing, but for this charm bag I will use it for its protective qualities. Hyssop is a really great herb to use for cleansing, banishing and protection. Angelica root can be used for so many things, such as healing workings, banishing, protection, but also to remove any workings like spells, hexes and so on. I use pink Himalayan salt around my workings to make sure that nothing can interfere my intentions, so that I can get the best results and my workings can manifest the way I want. You can use whatever salt you have. I just have this one on hand. Rosemary is a great cleansing herb. It can also be used for protection, love, mental powers, banishing, healing and sleep workings. Lavender is a really great protection herb as well. It can also be used to enhance psychic abilities, divination workings, healing, love and many more. To me, it's a very powerful herb and I use it a lot in my practice. Chili pepper is great if you want to irritate someone. It's really great if you want to use it in protection and banishing workings. I will use orange peels to bring a calm energy around me. It gives this feeling of safety and makes you feel protected. I also use it in confidence workings. It is great for creativity, strength and anything related to business success as well. Black salt is really great for protection and banishing workings. I make this salt myself and I have a video on how I make it if you would like to check that out. I also sell it on my Etsy shop. Bay is another protective herb, but it can also be used for healing, to enhance psychic abilities, cleansing and strength. You will also need a candle holder, a black candle. You can use a white one as well, but I feel like for protection, black candles work better. You will also need a pen, something to carve your candle with, a piece of paper, a black pouch, and a lighter. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to cleanse my tray. I'm using my Aura cleansing spray that has also sage in it. You can get this one on my Etsy shop as well. You can cleanse your space and your items how you prefer. I like smoke cleansing, but I don't live alone and I can't use always this method, so I also use cleansing sprays and the flame of a candle to cleanse. You can also use your own energy to cleanse an item to get rid of any unwanted energy that could interfere with your working. And if you don't cleanse your space and your candle, your working might manifest different than you expect. After I'm done cleansing, I will start charging my herbs and add them to my bag. I already mentioned many times how I charge my herbs on my channel. You center your energy, ground yourself, direct the energy in your hands while holding your herbs and think about your intention, or tell your herbs what you would like them to do for you. You can charge each herb or just add them all and then charge them together with your intention. And you do this because herbs have lots of correspondences, so you want to be specific and tell them what exactly you would like them to do for you. After I added all my herbs, I will write my intention on a piece of paper and add it to my bag. You can also add a tag lock if you would like to. I will then take my candle and I'm going to carve 3 times protection on it. You can write your intention and you also can add sigils if you would like to. I will then anoint my candle with my protection anointing oil and peppermint oil. At this point you can ask your deities, familiars, or any spirit that you're working with to assist you to enhance the energy of this charm bag. Then you can light your candle and wait for it to finish burning. Please keep in mind fire safety and don't let your candles to burn unsupervised. I ended up leaving my candle to burn till I went to bed and then continued my working the next day. And you actually can do that. You don't need to have to sit and wait 12 hours for the candle to burn. If you decided to use a bigger candle, you can light the candle and let it burn and then just snuff it out and light it again when you can to release the remaining energy. The remaining of the candle wax I will add to my bag and keep it in my purse, but you can place it anywhere you want, especially if you added a tag lock. It will work for you even if you are not keeping it close to you. I hope you found this video useful. If you would like to support this channel, you can check my Etsy shop where I'm selling witchcraft supplies and grimoire pages. Subscribe to my channel for more witchcraft content. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any video ideas. You can message me on Instagram or leave a comment on any of my videos, and I will see you in my next one.